Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. So yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, let's go over what happened today, and also I will try to find at least one more potential play to get in. But yeah, we'll go over what happened today. 1 second here. I'm gonna pull up this other chart. Oh man, not that I literally just got rid of this ad right before I got on live. Hold on. I gotta get rid of that too. Alright, I'm gonna tell the team we're on live, and then yes, we're gonna pull up the other live chat here. So yeah, what a day, right? Nice little beautiful morning. Can't complain at all. But yes, we'll go over it in a second. So yeah, 1 second here. Pull that up there. Gonna tell the team we're on live. Let's see. Alright, cool. Yo, Chris, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Really appreciate you tuning in. Alright, so yes, we just told the team we're on live. And yes, we'll go ahead and get right. Alright, cool. Alright, it's getting a little hot in here. I gotta take this jacket off here. So yes, I do want to go over the cues first. And then yes, we'll go over the swings, all the day trades that ended up happening for today. As for right now, yes, we had my mouse isn't plugged in. Alright, so yeah, let's see. My bad, a little bit of technical difficulties. But yeah, we're just getting started. Alright, so yes, for the cues, this was this nice little play here. So we had this clear gap up, no consolidation. You can see this was the first play that we ended up posting up in these charts here, or at least the one I posted. Totaled the team this morning, looking at QQ and NVIDIA to the downside. Also, IWM looks good, but I did end up missing out on that. So yeah, this morning we had this clear gap up. I told the team, look, we already closed on the wall already. We tapped that first target officially. Obviously, if it does want to, continue that 611.24, but not really too worried if it doesn't hit it all. I could care less. So yes, 611.24. That'll be that final there. We had a nice little day. It seems like everyone ended up hitting. Shout out to Motion Man. Gotta give all these members some likes. So boom, you can see a couple other members hitting a couple of these trades. Got a little late, but I did okay. You can see that in the video play, which we will be going over. See what happened on IWM, QQQ, NVDA. So yeah, nice little day here. Biggest trade, yeah. Shout out to Amelia. She's been putting in that work. So you can see also RTTI will go over all these trades. Thank you to QQQ. Boom. Moment rate, what, 1800 just this morning here. Just off of that trade. So nice little day. Shout out to Rachel as well. So RTTI did its thing. I still want those targets. It may take a couple days, so we'll go over this first really quickly. So yes, clear gap up, no consolidation. I did tell the members, I was like, look guys, it looks too good not to take. Obviously, just took it a little bit smaller. We ended up closing under this wall officially. We had a beautiful drop. A lot of members are, already up on that. So did end up selling a lot of this. Hold on, let's see. 1 second here. See also a different member here. Shout out to Lawnmower RGTI. So as of right now, I did end up trimming a lot, but yeah, I do want to see if those rest can hit that 2280 and then that final, that 1634. So yeah, looks good. Yo, Victor, what's up? So yeah, we'll go over all these trades. So Netflix, we'll see how that. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, we already ended up. So we're very close. We'll go over that as well. 1 second. IWM. Yo, Victor, what's up, man? So IWM, we'll take a look there. MRK, I'm going to leave this one up. So just to briefly go over it in a video here too. So NVDA, pretty much same exact thing here. We had this clear gap up, no consolidation. If you were in my live, you would have seen this. We broke under our level, so we actually closed under pre-market, and then yeah, we ended up dropping down into these targets. So you can see this was QQ puts there. See, in NVIDIA puts and also Tesla puts, all three of those ended up hitting today. So yeah, you can see that little play there. Boom, those targets hit. I haven't posted what we did yet today, but you know I will. You can see, shout out Yaz on that NVIDIA. Made about 400, 500 bucks there. Where I'm pretty sure a couple other members hit that too. So hold on. So yeah, nice little day there. That was on NVIDIA. Obviously, if we end up hitting that final, the 183. So that's what I can see there. All right, so yes, Tesla. We'll go over this. So this will be the last one. ALB as well. Gotcha, Fritz. No worries, man. If that'll work. All right. All right. So ALB, Netflix. We got to go over that. We'll go over IWM. Tesla. As you can see. Oh wait. Oh wait. Hold on. Maybe I'm tripping, guys. Oh wow. Oh, dude, yeah, yeah, that's crazy. And I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing here. Maybe could have left an extreme runner, but I will say, oh, brother, we got, we got a lot of more empty space below us. If we can somehow get on that 407.81. Oh, brother. And yeah, I mean, we got this clear gap up. So if we end up finishing that move, yeah, we got some empty space to this downside. So I'll definitely take a look at this end of day. Wow, that is crazy. So yeah, this was the trade that we ended up having here. So this was on Tesla. So this morning I did see we scrolled in pretty much. We had this clear gap down. This is what I was targeting. So still empty space. And we end up getting in, boom. You can see those targets end up hitting, and yes, that final did end up reaching. See Tesla, a couple people caught that Tesla trade there. You know, a few others did too as well. So, so yeah, Tesla was a nice little trade. Dang, there's a lot more. I gotta actually write that down. That actually isn't too bad. So yeah, that actually looks pretty good. So Tesla. All right, so yes, we'll see if we can break under that wall. As of right now, it looks like we're at a bouncing level here. So our final target did end up hitting there. Yo, shout out to Rug too as well. He ended up calling out a few trades, and Glock too as well. Looks like their targets are hitting too. All right, so yes, let's keep on going here. So we did on Tesla. Now let's look at ALB. We'll look at IWM too as well. All right, so IWM, I'll be honest, this was the one. So I had this one charted out, but I'll be honest, I did end up missing this one. But it's all good. There was a couple other trades that I ended up having. Nice little beautiful trade though. So it looks like, yeah, we broke under that 1 hour. We retested this wall, and now looks like we reject it. If we do continue, 239.74, and then that 237. So yeah, this was another little play that we ended up calling out right before market open. You can see we had that empty space, and boom, yeah, we ended up targeting there. A couple of members did end up catching that though. So see a couple of members, IWM, boom. Shout out to Manny, IWM. So he did this thing there as well, and a couple other ones did too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. So yeah, if we do continue, 239 and then that 247.46, those will be that final targets there. Rug said, I swear I better not hear I missed the target. I didn't take my money. Yo, that's crazy. My bad, I gotta send a couple reactions. Yeah, the day was a great day. I do want to, so yes, maybe find one more day trade. And then I do want to focus on those end-of-day swings as well. My bad. I'm looking at all the chat. I had to respond to Rug. That was pretty funny. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. My bad. So yeah, that was on IWM. So for Netflix, yeah. So I pretty much got that target here. Yes, we'll do RIVN. I got you, Chris. So where are we at? So Netflix, yeah, pretty much got this target here. Yesterday we actually did hit this imbalance. As of right now, that final target is yet to be hit. So that 1173, that'll be that final target there. Maybe could leave a lotto runner trying to reach up to this 140, well, 1241. That looks really decent. So not too bad there. So yeah, this was another little swing trade that we ended up having. See what yesterday we actually did hit that target. So you can see the trades that ended up working out yesterday. So Lyft, and then yeah, Netflix. You can see the targets. Pretty much the story there. Boom, and then yes, we finally ended up tapping it perfectly, and then now we're trying for that final. So we'll see if we can end up getting that. Yo, Tommy, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. Milo, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. All right, so we'll keep on going. So we did, we didn't do ALB. So ALB, it looks like, yeah, man. Oh, brother. So hold on. Okay, yeah. ALB. I'll be honest, I'm not in this one, but yeah, we ended up breaking above. I did want to see if we had that weak close, but we opened up outside of our level, and then yeah, we just kind of just straight up pushed up into that empty space. 120.77. Fritz, is this you, man? Hold on, bro. Is this you, man? So yeah, a couple people did end up catching that one, but yeah, we had it boxed up. 120.77. That's that first official, and then that final, that 131.05. So that's if we can, you know, get that nice continuation to that upside. So we'll see how things play out. Looks pretty good, pretty dandy there. All right, so we did IWM, RIVN. Yo, Chris, it looks like. He said, "Dang, those were." Dude, that's crazy. I'll be honest. Yeah, that's wild. Dang, yeah, we went up what, $8 or about $8 there. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, nice little move, man. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going here. We'll take a look at some other trades. Yeah, beautiful play. Beautiful play. All right, so as of this second year on RIVN, we're still inside of this Potter box here. So for me, I wouldn't do anything. I would just wait, just because it looks like we're almost trying to get under that 1632. Obviously, yes, could have had a really early entry, but yes, under that 1632, we can get that break under 1510. Looks good, man. So clear gap up, no consolidation under that 1632. Looks good to this downside there. So not bad at all, not too bad. Wow, Tesla is crazy, bro. Dang, that is wild. We're like right at this bounce spot. So if we do not break under, we may target down to this 353 area. It actually looks pretty crazy. Yeah, that looks pretty wild. All right, so yes, we'll keep on going. ALB, we did that. So yeah, nice little calm day. Yeah, I'll actually look at Tesla end of day. So we'll see if we can get a nice little lotto entry or something. We'll have to see how that plays out. Check out SPY. Okay, cool. So I know that's the Qs. We'll look at SPY. Looks like everything's trying to drop here still. All right, SPY does have another little move. Okay, so QQQ, we're pretty much almost at that final TP, if anyone's still in, of course. So that's 611. Obviously on SPY. So on SPY, yeah, we had this. It was another little move here. Obviously, wasn't too worried about SPY today. But still, pretty much that same exact thing. We had this empty space. We closed under. We got that nice break into that wall there. as for right now, so let's see. 1 second here. We still got a little bit of empty space under this 676.22. So if we break under there, get that continuation, looks really good. Yo, that is crazy. Yeah, ALB would have been wild. All right, so yeah, under that 676.22, if we get under that break, we do have that empty space that is completely under us. All right, so yeah, that's on there. That's on SPY. Honestly, since we did good today, maybe I'll just try a lotto if it ends up happening, but we'll see though. All right, so that's there. DLTR. Yeah, we'll take a look at all these trades, and yes, you can see what happened today. I gotta post all that happened today. I didn't, get a chance to, but you can see what happened today. See, thank you to QQQ. Shout out to Rug, me, and also Glock as well. So boom. Momentum rate, what, 17,800 there just this morning. You can see also different member QQQ. Shout out to RGTI. So RGTI, hopefully we can hit those targets soon. A couple other members hitting a couple of different trades here. But yeah, it was a nice little beautiful morning. Can't even complain at all. So yeah, that's pretty much that for today. Looking for possibly one more. Honestly, it looks good. We'll have to see though. All right, so yes, we'll keep on going. Actually, looks like that final could hit there. RGTI. Okay, hold on. All right, so RGTI looking like it's coming close. Pretty dandy there. All right, so hopefully they're still holding a little bit of runners if they are. So I mean, if we keep dumping, yeah, we got a nice little bag here. All right, hold on. I gotta send this in the chat here, guys. 1 second here. So I'm still in some of these. Did end up claiming some on this, but yeah. Let's see. Ooh. All right, so cool. So RGTI looking pretty close. If it happens today, I mean, that would be a nice 2280. But yeah, it's doing pretty decent there. All right, cool. Pretty good. Pretty good. One second here, guys. All right, so we did RVN, so we looked at SPY, QQQ, we already did that. So RGTI, if that ends up happening, could end up taking a couple more days, unless it wants to, give me a bigger bag today. I mean, I wouldn't mind on that. So we'll just have to see how that plays out. Doesn't look too bad there. All right, so MRK, I don't think we did this, or did we? I'm not too sure. So it looks like MRK. Okay, it looks like, all right, we had a lot of turbulence getting to that first TP. So the first time it happened, we ended up breaking down to this downside, and then we finally went back up. Looks like it's trying to officially do this. So 94.64. That's what I'm seeing there. Above, so as of right now, let's see. There's a top wall here. There's also our bottom wall here. So right above this 103.09, we got empty space up to this 109.68. So doesn't look too bad for me. All right, so 1 second here. So yeah, nice top, bottom wall there. Right above, we got empty space. So So I get it, we're not there yet, but yes, if we can get above that 103, that's that little new move that I can see, since that first move already ended up happening. And yeah, we look for the same plays pretty much every day. Obviously, if one play doesn't work, that's fine. What Affirm did not work today, but you can see all these other plays that did. So yeah, if one trade doesn't work, that's fine. We get in, we get out of positions. Oh, shout out to Carla. Oh, she just posted her gains too. Dang, oh wow, she's going crazy. Okay. Yeah, she did great on the Qs. She made what, $2 grand there, and on that NVIDIA play. And yes, you can see these were the same positions that we had just this morning. QQQ puts, NVIDIA puts there, posted this morning. Told them what I was looking at, what I was looking for. Boom, we end up getting in, we get out. Not just her though, you can see the video there. Yeah, it's actually wild, man. So, it felt like just a nice, easy day. See a couple other different members there, catching a couple trades. Shout out Rachel, all the other ladies in here. See, thank you, QQQ. So one member also made, what, almost $2 grand there on that little trade from this morning. And yeah, we post pretty much everything. If it works, cool. If it doesn't work, that's fine. There's always going to be another position. All right, so we'll keep on going. What were your games? So yeah, I did end up making a pretty decent bag, pretty much. All right, hold on. Yo, Catherine, what's up? Nike, yeah, I got you. Yeah, we can definitely go over there, over that. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so Nike, and yes, I kind of want to go over this list. I'll actually leave up SPY if it ends up happening. Maybe try a lotto, but so RTTI, I don't need to leave that up. We already know the deal with that is. It's doing pretty well. So Nike, we'll go over. So I did see a couple of them today. I want to see where we're currently at. ZM. I think people were talking about Lulu today. Also, let's see where Disney is. So let's see. All right, so dang. Okay, so Disney, it's finally, you know, trying into this empty space. I wonder if it will end up happening as of now. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. We got empty space that is under us, so still have this written down. I already know a couple people were in from earnings, but I didn't take an earnings position on this. Looks like we rejected this cost basis area pretty much perfectly. If we do close, yeah, Catherine, honestly, it's been I feel like it's been years. So yeah, what, we drew this box when it was like down here, and yeah, we waited weeks. This is like months of just candles here. So I mean, yeah, if it does end up happening, 97.73, and then that first, or that final target, that 85.80, looks really good. All right, so NVDA, let's take a look here. Yeah, and Lulu, okay, we'll take a look. So SPY looks like it's coming close. We'll take a look here, we'll see. My bad, guys. Looking at all the other chats really quickly, making sure it's all good. All right, cool. All right, my bad, guys. All right, so yes, SPY, we got that under that 676. If we can get that break, dang, that's looking pretty wild there. Pretty wild. Just because it's open doesn't mean anything's resolved. Honestly, I could care less. I mean, if we end up, you know, continuing to drop, and if we want to, let's just say, go into a recession, I mean, it's cool. I got a lot of empty space plays that I would love to tap into. So, whenever that wants to happen, you know, that's what I can see. All right, so hold on. Dang, Tesla is going wild here, guys. Oh man. All right, so SPY. Let's take a look here. We got to get under that 676 area, which doesn't look too bad. So we'll see if that happens. Obviously, if it happens, it would only be a lotto for me. All right, 1 second here. Yo, Edison, what's up, bro? Good to see you, bro. All right, my bad. Actually looks pretty good. So we're right at that breaking point. So this is a very crucial moment here. Honestly, I could care less about it. If I end up trying, it'll be more of a lotto entry. We'll see. So we got, what, 12 minutes for that? I might just wait for that candle close. I could wait for like a 5 minute if I wanted to, but we'll see though. Dang, there is a lot of empty space. Yo, Strong Bob, what's up, man? Dude, I think I know I seen you in the Discord. I was like, is that Strong Bob? I haven't seen him in a couple months. So yeah, good to see you, my guy. I was like, I know your profile. I know you like looked somewhat familiar. I was like, that has to be Strong Bob. All right, so yeah, we are right underneath our level here. So what, 11 minutes? I personally might just wait for a close and see. Since we already did well, let's see there. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going to these other stocks really quickly. How low can Tesla go? So as of now, if we continue under that 407, I don't see any resistance down to that 353, which isn't bad. So yeah, it looks like we might end up getting a bounce here. We'll see though. But I will say though, if it happens, if we can continue, dude, yeah, we got some empty space down to that. That 380 would be that target there, pretty much. Yeah, Catherine, I will be honest. It seems like what the last couple like weeks, month or so, like we've been like just going up and up and up and up. So yeah, there was a lot. There is a lot of empty space below us that I wouldn't mind taking if we can get it. All right, so yeah, that's that. All right, so I think QQQ. Hold on. So QQ did end up hitting that final there. I gotta send this in the chat just in case if any other members are still into this trade. So yeah, this was basically a trade from this morning. Honestly, I will be honest, there is a lotto entry here. So dang, everything's dumping here. Goodness, goodness. All right, hold on 1 second, guys and gals. I gotta send this in the chat really quickly. All right. Oh. All right. Cool. 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 Oh, it's looking pretty good. It's looking great. Dang, we might end up just continuing. Honestly, on the Qs, there's another little pocket of empty space here too. So I know I just drew the best circle you've ever seen in your life. No, I'm kidding. That's if we can continue, but we might end up bouncing right here. We'll see though. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah, today, man, it's Yo, Cameron, what's up? Nvidia puts, honestly, man, with this, I personally wouldn't chase into anything because this was a play from this morning. Looks like, yeah, we could end up hitting that final, that 183. So this was another little play that we ended up having. So you can see literally all the plays, maybe not all of them. I know Affirm did not want to do its thing, but yeah, you can see QQ puts, clear gap up. You can see what happened there. We touched both those TPs. You can see this morning, looking at QQ and Nvidia downside. This was before market open. Gave the members a chance to get ready for what I was looking at, what I was seeing, and then yes, Nvidia there had that nice little break. You can also see on Tesla that trade ended up hitting too. So yeah, it's a great day. A couple members, they're finally posting all their gains here. Yeah, it feels like yeah, I gotta give these members some likes. Hold on, give me a second. So shout out to Jay catching both the Qs. You can see the percentages, seeing the type of gains we get there. Yeah, it's been a wild day. So yeah, shout out Jesus once again. We did it again, guys and gals. So yeah, not even just today. You can see, yes, obviously, thank you to QQQ. I will be keeping an eye out on a couple of these trades, but so what? 7 minutes left. All right, but yeah, you can also see what happened on Lyft too. So Lyft, this was just yesterday. You see who called those plays out? Jeff said, "Put bros." Boom. So yeah, crazy. Dang, that looks so good. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. And yes, if you have any requests, now's the time to drop those in the comments. I know I'm pretty much just going back and forth, but yeah, it's just wild. Today's been a wild day. All right, cool. Dude, Jose, exactly, man. Yo, talk with Terry. Thanks for the follow, and Sanchez, thanks for the follow as well. But yeah, today was a great day. Like I said, not really a time to be scared. Just get in and get out, pretty much. Yeah, that's crazy. Yo, Carla, what's up? Carla, I've seen, yeah, you've been putting that work in. So, yeah, great work. Yeah, today I told you about the Qs. The Qs were, I don't know, I might have to marry the Qs today. But yeah, what a great day, for sure. So I may try one lotto play, but other than that, I may just wait for the end of day swings. All right, so hymns. Let's see. My bad, guys. I know I'm going pretty much off topic right now, but let's see. Okay, I got it. Yeah, so right here, right now, what I see here. Oh, my phone's on 5%. Let's plug that in. Please go in. Please go in. Pause. Dude, I just realized I kind of say some crazy stuff, and I don't mean to. All right, it's just not charging. Please charge. All right, so yeah, as for right now, yeah, I don't like really understand what I'm saying until like, or at least like the crazy things I say until I hear it. But yeah, my bad. All right, so hymns, we got under that 32.86. We get that break under there. We have down to that 28.95. So not too bad, not too bad. All right, so yeah, looks good, looks good. We'll see how things play out. Damn. Dang there, buddy. That actually doesn't look too bad. So SPY. Dang, that looks so crazy. So yeah, we still got that empty space that is under us. So what, 4 minutes left? So no, I'm not in yet, but we'll see. I might grab a lotto. We'll see though. Since we already did really good. All right, so we'll keep on going. We'll see. Hold on, let me look at RGTI. SOFI is dumping too, is it? Haven't checked. Alright, so RGTI, it's doing its thing still. Kind of want that, you know, next push if we can get that. If everything's going to drop, please drop now. I would say it probably will take a couple days for us to actually get that nice little drop. So we'll see how things play out. Alright, so SPY is looking good, but I'm just going to wait on that. I don't know. Alright, so HIMS, we did that. SOFI. RGTI did good. Or it's doing good as of this second. Yeah, SOFI. So I'll be honest, yeah, I did end up missing this one. It's cool though. We had a couple other trades that ended up happening. Did really well. As for right now though, hold on. All right, so hold on. I gotta send some chats. Make sure everyone's on the same page. So yeah, a lot of trades are hitting right now. All right, so yeah, SOFI. If we obviously I probably won't chase this one, but if we do continue under that 30.25 down to this 28.60 and then that 26.93. Said manager. Yo, Rugged is so great. That's so funny. Alright, so this will be that next little play that I can see. So what, 2 minutes left. See if we can get a nice little break, maybe for a lotto. I think we might end up, if we close, I kind of want to see a retest at this level here. So that'll be what I'm seeing here. What time will the V happen? My bad. I may sound so stupid, but could you repeat that? What time will the V happen? All right, yeah. So SPY, that's what I'm seeing there. Still 1 minute left for that little candle to close. We shall see how that plays out. But yeah, we'll see. Looks really good. He said he might mean V recovery. Dude, I'm gonna be so honest. That just threw me like so off. So it's making me feel like I don't know what I'm even saying right now. What time? I know I'm not tripping though. Maybe I am. If I am, it's all good. You can roast me or teach me something new today. All right, so 50 seconds pretty much. We're still in that box, kind of looking a little scary right here. Alright, so where's IWM? So it looks like we're at this bounce spot. So we're literally right at the bounce spot. Okay, IWM, if anyone is in, that imbalance did hit. So as Rug would say, manager, you know. So yeah, this is the one I didn't end up chasing into, but. Alright, cool. Alright, so yeah, IWM, it did its thing there. Okay, yeah, if it ends up happening, if it goes 237.46. Alright, so yeah, SPY looks like we're pretty much inside of that box here. I don't know if I'll get into a lotto. Maybe if it holds nicely, I'll try one on a lower time frame, but we'll see. I just don't like the way it's moving pretty much as of this second. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, so yes, I do want to go over some end of day swings. Before I do that, I'm going to grab me another refill, things of that sort. So yes, you all know the plan by now. Looks like everything's trying to bounce up. Looks like buyers may have control here. So if we end up rejecting here, we have that empty space. But yeah, we had a great day. Swings doing great. Obviously, only one play did not want to work, but we had what, 3 to 4 positions that did very well. We can start from this morning. QQQ. See, biggest thanks to Rug, Put Bros, and Block, but yeah, mainly shout out to Jesus though. So boom, that's it. It's this top step. So no, we trade options here. So we trade options. there are people that use funded accounts and get into the same plays on like NQ, ES, things of that sort, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, we mainly do options here, and we get in, we get out. Today was a very easy day for the members and I. Got in a little late, but out of the K. Thanks, guys. So shout out to all the ladies as well. So nice little day, nice little day. All right, so SPA, we did not close. We didn't close. We might end up bouncing here, so I might just stay away from this unless it shows me a nice candle close. I heard some good things about Top Step though. But yes, give me 1 second here, guys. I will be right back. I'm going to grab me another little refill, things of that sort. If you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. Honestly, join the free chat, see how you like it. Link is in the bio. Just make sure, please do your own research and read disclaimers, things of that sort. All right, so yes, 1 second here. We'll go over pretty much all these other trades. If you have any stocks, anything you want me to look at, look over, now's the time to drop them in the comments. All right, so yes, 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Yo, guys, I'm back. All right, so yes, let's get straight to it. What happened to the music? Oh, it's still on. Yo, Paula, what's up? Appreciate it so much. Thanks for the gift. Love you so much too. As long as you can follow the funded rules, they will make you bread. I will say about is it good to have a funded account? I mean, it's really up to you. It's not really a wrong answer. I mean, I know people real life that make some real money off of funded accounts. There are some people that only do options, that are only good with options. There's only some people that's good with funded. It's really just up to your liking. Not really a wrong answer to that. Just make sure, just do your own research, of course. All right, so SPY looks like we're trying again. We'll see though. I don't know if I want to enter any lottos right now though. I could have a lotto though, but we'll see. So 24 minute, we would have to get under this. So if I try that 30-minute candle, I would have to. My bad, guys. All right, so just looking at a couple of these trades here. Feel like we could end up getting this continuation. I kind of just want to wait for a close on this. If it leaves me, it's fine. Some sort of close, that would be great. Maybe I'll try a lotto soon. Hold on, I'm going to pull up some contracts here. Yo, Alfredo, yeah, Tesla did great. Tesla did his thing. Chris, what's up, bro? Yeah, man, it was a great morning. So it's like, that's the only reason why I'm like, I'm only going to try some lottos if we, you know, get some interest. I don't really want to give anything back. So, yeah, we did great. Not just me, but the whole squad did their thing too. So, yeah, beautiful, blessed day. See, QQQ. A couple members hit, what, almost 2K there. QQ puts, boom. RGTI, still holding fuel on that. But yeah, pretty nice little day here. Really nice day. So yeah, it's been a great easy day. We get in, we got out. Now want to find at least one more day trade, and then yeah, gonna go with the end of day swings pretty much. All right, so yes, we'll look at some more trades here. And that's looking pretty decent. Pretty good. All right, hold on. I gotta get this out of my I need to get this off of my screen really quickly. So 1 second here. All right, so got that off. My bad, guys. Was responding to a couple texts, so yeah, I really don't answer my phone, but might answer it today. All right, so it still looks good. It still looks decent. I think we could end up, you know, getting that continuation. Looks like IWM's trying to as well. RGTI, okay, RGTI is coming close as well. Hopefully, people are managing, looking. So I'm still into this one though. They claim out a lot, but yeah, still got that empty space. SPY looking good. We're still having trouble under that 675, so I kind of want to get a 30-minute break under there, and I'll try it. I'll try that 30-minute. So I'm not in quite yet, but we'll see if we get some sort of break and close. Obviously, yeah, you know, could have been a nice little scout play, but I want to see if we can get a nice close this time. Nvidia still dumping, yeah, so almost there. I think by the end of the day, if it does happen, it'll happen end of the day. But yeah, we'll see 183.07. IWM, not sure if anyone's in that, but 237. Yeah, just make sure to do your own research, of course. We're just having a little bit of trouble at this next little wall, so. What is the target for RGTI? So yeah, RGTI, we ended up swinging that one just yesterday. And yes, let me turn this song before it gets a little bit freaky in here. So it's still morning time, so no time. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, we had this empty space. We broke under, so this was a trade from yesterday. We had a nice little push, so did end up claiming some. Now I just want to see if those targets can, you know, finally hit. So that first target's at 2280. How I discovered that is from my final. So my final is 1634 area. You can see entry to exit the literal middle of the move. So the direct move of this box here, that's what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. So that's that move there, if we can get it. It's looking pretty good though. So I like the trade. I still like SPY too, but I think I'll wait for that close again. All right. But yeah, no, yeah, if you're wondering, yes, I am still in this. So I think at open, yeah, it ended up, I was up a pretty nice bag. Now it's dropping, so it's going to be even nicer if we can hit those targets. So nice little day today. What's the target for SPY? I have 672, so target from SPY, so we would have to get this break under. I can see that we already. So no, I'm not in quite yet, but I have 670 or 667. I can't see down to this 663 though. So basically, I had a box here, entry level there, but no, I'm not in. I did see a little bit of turbulence there, so keeping it safe. But I just see a little bit of turbulence at the 667. But yeah, I could easily see down to that 663, even that 662 area. But yeah, it looks like we're, just struggling right at this little level here. I think we'll break it though at some point. So what, for me, I'll just wait. What, we got 20 minutes for that 30-minute to close. So I'll see if we can close under there. All right, so yes, we'll keep on going. Let's see here. Oh yeah, no worries, man. As long as the targets can hit that, that's perfectly fine. We just had a really, really good move today, so being a little bit cautious. All right, so RGTI still moving. Damn. Hold on, I gotta pull up my. Let's see here. Yeah, that's looking pretty nice there. Yo, that is crazy. We're literally just crushing this. This is wild. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I gotta send another alert here. That is wild. It's still going. We might see that target today. I don't know. I think we might see SPY too, but we'll see. It's kind of just toying right at that little level though. Yeah, that's crazy. 2504. We need down. So my next target's at 2280. Can I see ALBO stock? Yeah, I got you, man. Really want Tesla call for next Friday. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look there as well. So it looks like SPY is having a little bit of trouble at my green line there. I think we'll break it, but we'll see. I will wait for that though. I don't care about it. So we did him. So Tesla too. RGTI. Dang, that's just a beautiful play, man. So beautiful. So yeah, ALB. All right, let's get off these minutes here and let's go to this higher time frame. So yeah, pretty much same thing inside the Discord each and every day. So as of now, I'm just gonna find maybe one more lotto play, and then I will wait for those end of day swings since they're doing pretty decent. But yes, what I see here, same exact thing. We got this clear gap down here, no consolidation. No, I'll be honest, no, I'm not into this one. But yeah, it would have been a nice little play, or pretty nice big play there. We were up what, $7-8. As you can see, as of now, if we do continue that 120, so 120.77, that's that first final, that 131. So yeah, that's just what I'm seeing there. All right, so Tesla. Yeah, I mean, so for Tesla, we got some empty space under us. I'm not saying it will happen. I will just look at. I'm going to look at this end of day. So, I will say if we end up rejecting back above this 407.79, I could see a little bit of a bounce. But I really have no other words. We have just a lot of empty space to this downside that looks really good. Above us though, for something new. So this was a play that I also ended up wanting. We had this clear gap down here. So above that 432 area, we get that break. There is that empty space that is currently above us. But I will say, same exact thing here. Clear gap down. We get a nice little top bottom wall. We have empty space above us. All right, so SPY said no, not today. Not yet. So yeah, I'll personally just wait. If it leaves me, it's cool. It's fine. But under that 675, I'll try it. All right, cool. So yes, that is on there. All right, yes. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me one more second. I have to I'm gonna grab me some more. I'm gonna actually grab me some fruit really quickly. So I want to see if we can get that. We'll see. Just 1 second here. And yes, if you have any other requests, now's the time to drop them in the comments. Pretty much getting ready for the end of the day. And maybe one more lotto trade. So we'll see. All right, so yes, give me one more second. I will be right back here. Dang, this is still going. This is literally still going. All right, so SPY looks like we're still trying to as well. We'll see how things play out. All right, so RTI, we already know about this. We'll see if we can get that nice little play there. So yes, we still got that nice drop. I do want to look at a couple other ones. I'll still wait for this 30-minute candle though. I could care less about it. Even though I think we might end up, you know, getting that clear drop. All right, so yes, we'll keep on going. So I did see today we also had McDonald's. Did I even do that? So Mickey D's. It's like SPY's trying here. I'm not in though. So McDonald's, yeah, I do like this. I've also had this written down. Looking for a possible end of day. Right now, we're still inside of this box here. So above the 310.48, we get that nice break outside this level here. We got empty space up to that 316. So actually looks really good. But as of this second, just going to wait on that and see how things play out. So all right, cool. So SPY, we're bouncing there. We're bouncing. All right, cool. So yeah, McDonald's, we went over that. That looks really good. Also, I do want to look at a couple earnings plays. So we still got what, 12 minutes for that candle to close as well. Let's see. So after close, we got NU. So what, today's Thursday? NU, AMAT, and then we also have RCAT. All right, so AMAT, let me take a look here. It looks like we're, all right, okay. Okay, we do have a little bit of downside there. Not the best move that I'm looking at. NU, we got another little box here. So basically what I'm seeing here, same exact thing. We got empty space that's under us. Oh, wrong one. All right. So 12 minutes left. It actually looks pretty good. I think it looks decent. So top, bottom all here, right under this 115 or 1571. Yeah, it doesn't really look too good, so I probably would miss out on this one. All right, so 10 minutes left. I do want to see if we can get that nice little break. We do have that empty space that's under us. Looks good. Might try just a lotto position though. We're still bouncing though, so that's the only thing. So that's the only reason why I want to wait. All right, so that is on there. AMAT, RCAT. Let's take a look here. Let's see if there's any decent things on that. Okay, actually, yeah, there isn't something bad on this. Top, bottom, all there. Right under this 820 area, could see down to that 701. So actually looks pretty decent. We'll see how that plays out too. So I'll keep an eye on this. I have to look at, you know, contracts for end of the day today. So we'll see how that plays out. All right, so 30 minutes for that candle close. We'll see, pretty much just playing around on that. So we'll see how things play out on that. So, not too bad. And yes, we had a nice little great day. If you want to see what we did inside the Discord, you can scroll through. Today it was a very, very good day. So, thank you, QQQ. But yeah, shout out Jesus for this beautiful day. See a lot of other members catching the Qs with us. RGTI. So RGTI is doing its thing too. But boom. All these other trades, all these other plays. Got in a little late, but I did okay. Thanks, guys. So boom. Pretty much same exact plays each and every day. We don't change anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we found a couple other stocks. I'll definitely try to spy if we can get that nice close. And yes, I will be getting off now. I will be inside of the Discord. So yes, if you do want to join, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chat. Honestly, you can just join the free chat if you'd like. Link is in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. I will still be on live an hour before market closes. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll either see you inside the Discord or in my next live stream. Have a blessed one, guys and gals. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.